Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So a few videos ago I talked about that I had a lot of new handbags and I wanted to show you guys one of them, and I'm really excited to see it. I've had it sitting here for a little bit. I actually haven't seen it in person yet, just on the images online. So if you'd like to see what bag I got, then just please keep on watching. I've been wanting kind of like a pinky nudie bag, and to be honest, I keep going back and forth on certain ones that I want. It's like, do I want like a Gucci bag? Do I want just like a normal bag? And then I saw Prada came out with some cool like a throwback from their re-edition 2000 bags. Those are really cute, and then just a lot of cool bags that are coming out this season. So I was just like, like let me just be a little bit, conscious with money, and not having to spend like thousands of dollars on a bag. So I'm hoping that this bag is what I hope it is, and like it just fulfills the need of that like pinkyish bag. I got a Michael Kors bag. I did get this on sale. They had a sale I think like a week or so ago, and it was like an extra like 20% off. So here's the box that it comes with. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so everything's kind of so wrapped up. Okay, hold on. Let me take all this stuff off. And also too, this bag kind of like imitates a little bit of the Gucci like Marmont, like the velvet, the like chevron and like the poofiness to it. So, oh, she's so pretty. Oh, I love it. It's so soft. But yeah, so here's my new bag. She's so pretty, guys. Like, she is gorgeous. Now, I was thinking that this was gonna be like a little bit more pinkier. This is almost kind of like, I don't want to say gray, but definitely on the website it looked a little bit pinkier, like a pinkier color. This is a crossbody, and I do like that here on when you have it on your shoulder. You do have the leather, so like so you just open it up right here and it opens up. Has like a double compartment. Has like this like suede in the middle, kind of like the inside, and then you have this little right here, probably where you can put like your ID or your cards or some cash, and then it has another like little hole to, like I said, put your IDs or whatever you feel. There's no like back pocket or anything like that. I was thinking like maybe it would have a zipper, but it doesn't. Like I said, it just has like the two compartments. I have a iPhone XR, has a case on it, and it fits just fine. That was like my only thing that I was like, oh, is my phone gonna fit? Like, because I was starting to think when I was like got the bag afterwards, I was like, it might be too small. Like, what if it doesn't fit? But this actually fits perfect. Like I said, like that's what it looks like with it on. And I'm gonna add just to kind of see what else it fits in it. So normally what I keep in my bag is obviously my phone, which I have already. And then I usually have where like just this little guy, just my card holder. So I'm gonna put that in the front. So definitely my key holder does not fit in it. I do have like another spare key, and just kind of like throw that in there. We have my card holder thing. That's just a couple like a lipstick. I'm having a little bit of a difficulty here. I think just because it's so new, like, when you get like a new bag and it's just like, it doesn't want to open. And then have some cash that I'm going to put in here in this little like compartment that we have here in the middle. So you have that. And then nowadays we're here wearing masks, so I'm going to put my mask in there. So this is pretty much everything. I mean, there's not too much that you can fit in here, but definitely I think that if you just have kind of like your essentials, like your phone, your key, your mask, and then if you do have lip products, now I sometimes usually do have some type of like lipstick with me, so if you're not that type of person, then you definitely wouldn't have that in there. So let's see, close it. Everything closes nice in there. There's no bulging or anything like that. I think she's super duper pretty. Like, it's just like a basic nice little like crossbody bag. I will make sure to put like a picture of myself like wearing it, but like I said, it's super duper cute. Like I said, I wanted something a lot, just kind of like smaller and petite, just to kind of like just have like a nice like pretty like nudie pink bag. I think this bag was like right at $100, which is stinking amazing. I think full price, I think it was almost 400. I'm not sure, but like I said, I will make sure to list the price of this bag. And I know right now Michael Kors is having a huge sale. Like I think this bag might still be on there, or a bag that's kind of sort of similar on there. I will make sure to leave some kind of recommendations down in the description box so you guys can check that out if this bag kind of interests you. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel down below. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys. I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young.